That's funny, convict. I don't recall giving you access to our database.
Just keeping up on current events, Captain. Seems this Queen of Blades got everybody running scared. She don't look so tough.
You have no idea who she is, do you, Tychus?
Don't matter to me none.
Well, it matters to Jim. They were close once.
Wait a minute. You're telling me they were shacked up?
Apparently she was something else. Before the Zerg took her. Turned her into that.
And Jimmy feels responsible.
Honestly, if we have to face her again, I don't know what I'll do.
Woman like that, there's only one thing to do.
I caught Tychus hacking into our database, sniffing around about Kerrigan. I don't know what his game is, but we clearly can't trust him.
Matt, me and Tychus ran together a long time. Got in all sorts of trouble. When the law finally caught up, he took the rap for both of us. Never once ratted me out. I got a second chance. He got locked up.
I understand your loyalty, sir, but...
I owe him, Matt. Leave it be.
Yes, sir.
This is Donnie Vermillion live from UNN. Tonight, we're going to discuss the infamous Queen of Blades. Scientists and military insiders have long speculated that the enigmatic alien is, in fact, an infested human.
That's right, Donnie. Is it possible that the leader of the Zerg has a human heart?
More importantly, Kate, could this mean some kind of Terran-Zerg alliance is possible?
Donnie, there's never been any evidence at all to suggest that infested humans retain their free will.
You make a good point, Kate. The question is then, how do we kill her?
That's one I think we all can agree on. If humanity is to survive, the Queen of Blades needs to be eliminated.
Your Mobius buddies ever happen to mention that the Queen of Blades wants these artifacts too?
Hey, they just give me the missions, man. What's it matter anyway? Putting that bitch down would be doing everyone a favor.
I thought it was just about the money with you, Tychus.
Nothing says I can't do my part for humanity and get paid well for my trouble.
Right.
You came to the right place.
Commander, the alien artifact is all secure in the lab, sir. You know, seeing it got me to thinking about my special projects.
Whoa, slow down, Stedman. What do you mean, projects? You doing some kind of research down here?
Yeah, well, not yet, sir. I still need some additional specimens to get things going. Once I get those, we can make some big improvements to our weapon systems and tactics.
Well, I'm all for that. What do you need?
All kinds of things. I've entered the details into our database. If you run into something on a mission that we need, you'll be notified automatically.
Just try not to blow up the ship. Okay, Stetman?
That Zerg woman seemed to know you. She really rattled you, didn't she?
Me and her, well, we go back a ways. She was a ghost once. Back then, we were hooked up with Mengsk fighting to get rid of the old Confederacy. We made a pretty good team.
What happened to her?
She was a casualty of war. No offense, Doc, but I really don't like to talk about it.
I understand. If you ever change your mind, I'm here.
I've been hearing strange stories from the crew of late. Unexplained noises, strange visions, voices in the dark. Rumor has it these things are haunted.
Superstitious nonsense. These artifacts are completely inert and they're contained down here in the lab. There is some trace radiation, but I don't see how they could affect things elsewhere on the ship.
Heaven forbid we run across alien tech that messes with our primitive little monkey brains. Just keep a close eye on them, Doc.
All right, sir? Confronting Kerrigan again after all these years.
We've got to stop her, Matt. No matter what she's after.
Well, we gave her a setback today. The artifacts are obviously important to her. I just wish we knew why.
Jim, refugee populations from across the sector have been using Meinhof as a staging point. But with so many people in close proximity, an epidemic of some kind has started sweeping through the camps. Please, my people need help. We've got to do something before it's too late.
So what are we looking at, Doc?
Our readings indicate some kind of bio-infestation is spreading through the refugee camps. Even the buildings are being covered by it.
I've seen this kind of thing before. It's a Zerg virus. All we can do is burn it out. Every one of those infested buildings has to be destroyed.
But where are all the people? Oh no. Those things are infested refugees? This is a nightmare.
Yeah. This ain't good at all.
It looks like they burrow underground by day and emerge only at night. The virus must make them vulnerable to the high UV output of Meinhof's star.
Then we'll hit the infested buildings by day and protect our base at night. Don't worry, Doc. We'll contain this thing.
Huh? What's going on? Yep. Big job, huh? SCV ready.
All right, boys. We can't risk the contagion spreading to this camp. I want a perimeter set and some bunkers in place now.
You going sweet on that doctor lady, Jimmy. Can't see why else we'd keep fighting for these damn dirt farmers.
SCV ready. In the rear. Who wants some? You gonna get... Ah! You scared me! Armed and ready.
Add-on complete.
SCV ready.
Add-on not enough minerals.
Bad news. SCV ready.
Nightfall in 30 seconds.
This better be good. By the numbers, boy.
Standing by.
SCV ready. In the rear with the gear. SCV ready.
Now we gotta hold out till sunrise. Brace yourselves. This could get ugly.
Big job, huh? Yeah. SCV ready. Bad news. Yep, SCV ready. SCV ready. Bad news. SCV ready.
Not enough minerals. Base is under attack.
SCV ready. Good job. Ah! You scared me. Armed and ready. Who wants some? SCV ready. Sure thing. You gonna give me orders? Ah! You scared me. SCV ready.
Not enough minerals. Base is under attack.
SCV ready. By the number. What's going on? SCV ready. Kaboom, baby! It's go time! SCV ready. Go ahead. Yep. Roger. Bad news. In the rear with the gear. I'm going. I'm waiting on you.
Additional supply depots required.
Hey, Hotshot. I got schematics to build them Hellions you saw in Marsara. Should be good down there. Look at my hot action. Hell yeah. Sounds sweet. Word.
Please state the nature of your medical emergency.
What's going on? SCV ready.
Sun's coming up. We gotta hold on a little longer. Boss?
Add-on complete. Base is under
SCV
attack.
ready. You want a piece of me, boy? This better be good. Armed and ready. SCV ready.
Rise and shine, boys. Now it's our time to do some damage.
You gonna give me? Light it up! I'm going in. It's about to get heavy.
Is that some sort of nest? You better destroy it.
Say where. Got a whole lot of love. I'm in a heap of trouble. Roger. Go ahead.
Additional supply depots required.
Wait on you. This better be good. Armed and ready.
Additional supply depots required.
Standing?
By the numbers, boys.
You rang?
I'm in a heap of trouble. Big job, huh? Yeah, in the rear with the gear. You're the boss. I'm in a heap of trouble. Move it. Are you ready for this? Boom, baby. Say the word, baby. Fueled up. Light it up! Waiting on you.
You've dealt a serious blow to their numbers, Jim. You're doing great.
Absolutely. Let's have a blast. Go on. Go, go, go! Yep. This better be good. Who wants some?
Better send some body bags.
Daylight's burning. Absolutely. Ready to raise some hell. Big job, huh? Huh? Move it. Go ahead.
Better send some body bags.
Will do. Ready to raise some hell. Hell yeah. Sounds sweet. Some
You've dealt a serious blow to their numbers, Jim. You're doing great.
all day long. Hell yeah. Do this. That it? Absolutely. Ready to raise some hell.
Nightfall in 30 seconds.
Daylight's burning. Word. Go, go, go. By the numbers, boys. Armed and ready. I'm going in. Big job, huh?
Where does it hurt? It must be an emergency.
You should set some guards. They'll be coming again soon.
Upgrade complete.
What's going on? Roger. Big job.
Better send some.
Scans are picking up a unique Zerg biosignature. It appears to be a burrowing creature that is underground during the day and emerges only at night.
Sir, if you kill one of those creatures, Stetman can study it and perhaps learn something.
What's going on?
Infested Marines? Oh, hell, Jimmy, I don't care for that notion one bit.
Base is under attack.
Better send some body bags. You rang? Must be an emerge standing by. Please state the nature of your medical needs. Some triage? Better send some body bags. Better send some body bags.
Ah! You scared me! Talk to me, boss! Ah!
Better send some body bags.
We hear you! Ready to raise some hell! Are you ready for this? Is that it?
Base is under attack.
Bad news? Huh? Ready to raise some hell? Yeah. Big job, huh? Yeah, whatever. Go ahead. Big job, huh?
Base is under attack.
Ready to raise some hell?
Base is under attack.
Talk to me, boss. Ready to raise some hell? In the rear with what's going on?
Base is under attack. Add-on complete.
Ready to raise some hell? Bad news? Will do.
Base is under attack.
What's going on? Talk to me, boss. Ready to raise some hell? Ready to raise some hell?
Base is under attack. Daybreak in 30 seconds.
Some hell. Ready to raise some hell?
Base is under attack.
SCV ready.
Base is under attack.
Ready to raise some hell? Ready to raise some hell?
Don't forget, you have to be back by dark.
Daylight's burning. Huh? Well, butter my biscuit. Ready to raise some hell?
I'm not detecting any more infested structures in that sector, Jim.
Absolutely. Where's the hot action? Let's do this. Ah! You scared me. Bad news. I'm in a heap of trouble. Pedal to the metal. Hell yeah. Right on. Focus. to the metal. Hell yeah! Absolutely. Right on. Sounds sweet. All day long. I'm going in. Rubber. Pedal to the metal. Do this. That it? Hell
You've dealt a serious blow to their numbers, Jim. You're doing great.
yeah! All day long. Right on. Yes, sounds sweet. I'm going in. Rubber. All day long. Smoke it. That it? Absolutely. Sounds hell yeah! Ready to raise some hell. All day long. Right on. I'm going in. Word. Rubber. Here's the hot action. Smoke it. All day long. Smoke it. Ready to raise some hell. Pedal to the metal.
I'm not detecting any more infested structures in that sector, Jim.
Do this. Daylight's burning. I'm going in. Ready to raise some hell.
Nightfall in 30 seconds.
Are you ready for this? All day long.
You've dealt a serious blow to their numbers, Jim. You're doing great.
Ready to raise some hell.
Looks like that sector's clear, Jim. Better move on to the next one.
I'm in a heap of trouble.
Keep your eyes peeled. There's gonna be more of them out there.
Talk to me, boss. I'm waiting on you. Hell yeah! Yeehaw! Talk to me, boss. Sounds sweet. Are you ready for this?
Mineral field depleted. Base is under attack. Mineral field depleted. Base is under attack. Base is under attack. Vespene geyser exhausted.
Big job. Go ahead. Huh? We hear you.
What is that thing? Was it human?
Completed.
What's going on? Are you ready for this?
Mineral field depleted.
Go ahead. Big job, huh? In the rear with the gear. Ah! You scared me!
Base is under attack. Base is under attack. Mineral field. Base is under attack. Mineral field depleted.
In the rear with the gear.
Base is under attack. Daybreak in 30 seconds. Base is under attack. Base is under attack.
Oh, hell yes. This is gonna be our time, all right?
Let's do this! Absolutely! Are you ready for this? Sounds sweet. Talk to me, boss. Smoking. I'm going in.
Looks like that sector's clear, Jim. Better move on to the next one.
Absolutely. All day long. Huh? Move it! Are you ready for this?
Good job, guys. This area's
I'm
secure.
going in. Burn rubber. What's going on? Well, butter my biscuit. I'm waiting on you. Bad news? I'm in a heap of trouble. Smoking. Go ahead. Ah! You scared me! I'm in a heap of trouble. Uh-huh. Light it up! I'm telling you. All day long.
Looks like this area's secure. Keep it up, fellas. We can stop this.
Absolutely. Is that it? Word. Hell yeah. Huh? I'm in a heap of trouble. Right on.
You're almost done. There's just a handful of infested biosigns left. I'll highlight their locations on your map.
Let's do this. Smoking. I'm going in. Right on. All day long. Let's do this. Pedal to the metal. Hell yeah! Word. Let's go. Talk to me, boss. In the rear. Are you ready for this? Ready to raise some hell. Daylight's burning.
Nightfall in 30 seconds. Unacceptable, Command. We are at maximum supply. Vespine Geyser exhausted.
I'm waiting on you.
Those creeps are gonna be coming out of the woodwork any minute now. We better get back to the base.
Ready to raise some hell. I'm going in. Talk to me, boss.
Ooh, that sure pissed him off. Maybe we should wait for daylight.
Base is under attack.
You did it, Jim. I knew you wouldn't let us down. Now I've got to get my people somewhere safe.
Ain't gonna be so easy, darling. This whole sector's crawling with Zerg.
There's got to be somewhere out there the aliens haven't touched. Some undiscovered paradise waiting just for us.